The design and engineering of the retractable seating system has been quite the journey to get out in the marketplace and identify retractable seating system manufacturers that were capable and willing to do a project of this size and this magnitude. And we've had multiple goal-setting meetings with the owner to really make sure that we were taking into account their goals and their vision of what that retractable seating system needed to be and how it needed to function.
So the retractable seating was designed so we can actually reconfigure for different events: baseball, soccer, trade shows, basketball, and concerts.
The challenge and the charge to Irwin Seating Company was that they had to make a platform that came as close to the precast platform, similar seats on the other side of the stadium. And this is a tremendous challenge because we have 35 rows and the normal large assembly is about 18 rows. And when you're on one of those assemblies, you know you're on one of those assemblies. They move a great deal. These seats are all premium seats, part of a club system. Every seat had to mimic a seat in the other premium areas, so it had to have cup holders. It had to have the ability to communicate via DAS or Wi-Fi and have the exact same padded comforts that you would in another section. So that was really the guiding principle.
We knew it would be something much larger and unique compared to our standard type products.
A lot of modeling was done, 3D modeling, as well as all the coordination that we've done with the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, as well as DAS and Wi-Fi. Because it closes, it's a moving product. We need to coordinate all the cables underneath it.
With the support of our trade partner Irwin Seating and other engineers and other team members, we all came up with a lot of innovative engineering ideas and ways that we could actually accommodate their goals. And the first was basically building a full-size scale mock-up.
We initially then determined we would build a sample, a 5-row, 20-foot long operating sample.
We've looked at structure, we looked at cup holders, we looked at how it closes and opens, and then how many motors was required. And then once we tweaked that design, we made the full-scale mock-up, reviewed that, and then we started manufacturing the whole retractable system.
It all started with the slabs. The slabs had to be very flat, and we have a tolerance that we were to maintain all the way through the job, but the tolerance stepped up just a little bit. We do a flatness test and a level test. The FF test was supposed to be at like 55. We over-exceeded that for them. Got in the 90s and 100s on some of them, which was very good.
We concentrated on the understructure and making sure that it feels like concrete when you're sitting there. It is amazing how much more support this has than in a basic retractable seating. Once everything is folded and in its position, it takes about 8 to 10 minutes to actually close the retractable.
What you have is 3 large operating groups that are actually cut like pieces of pie that come together, when they're open, and when they retract back, that's the arc or radius that you see.
This retractable seating system is by far and large the biggest of any kind of retractable seating system in any sporting venue in the country.
From a fan experience perspective, I'm not sure that the average fan walking on will know that they're on a retractable system unless somebody tells them. It's that stable, it's that good.
We all knew that, this is one of a kind thing. I believe we're all very proud of what we accomplished here, and it looks like it should, operates like it should, and it was well mapped out.
It was really a team effort on their part. It was a pleasure to watch. The final product is what everybody hoped it would be.
Sitting back and looking today, I think the Vikings and all the other respective end users are extremely happy with the way that it was designed and installed. It's really going to cater to the events here in US Bank Stadium.